Video is to load data from a sequential file into a VSAM file. Come here. How do you copy data from a sequential file to a VSAM file? You can use idcam's repro command, or you can use COBOL program. Let's try to write a JCL using idcams as a program and a repro command to copy the data from sequential file to the VSAM file. So we have a sequential file is there here. Let's write a program using this. CRE.ZF first line, .ZL last line. So I'll say like repro. So one member is created now. The member name is repro. Okay. So repro REPR. So PGM name is idcams. Okay. And the command is then the input file. You should have a DD name equal to I file, then O file DD name. Or otherwise you can use inDD, outDD also. DD name as inDD, then outDD. So what is the file actually we have? So the file name is div03.invmas. So this is the sequential file. Okay, let's write the sequential file here. Comma. Okay. Then we have outDD. I'll say like this equal to volt, comma DSN is equal to INVMAISTI. Okay, so this equal to share also I can use. This is a VSAM file. Okay, then I have a sysprint is there, sysout, sysindd star, and the command here is repro in file or I file, anything you can write in file or I file. In DD name you should give, then O file or out file. Either way you can write in file or I file, anything. Then ODD. OutDD. Here DD name is OutDD. This in DD, this for this file. This out file, this for this file. Okay. So you must create this VSAM file. Otherwise it won't create it. Okay. Let's check whether this file is there. No, it's not there. So go to 3.2. Okay. VSAM cluster MMST Only thing is that you need to remember the key length. The key length is 5, okay, and the record length is 70. So key length is 5, and it is the first bit, so it starts from 0, and the record length is 70. Okay, reuse, no reuse. Just type exec. So now you got the VSAM file created. So close this. So we'll get now this is a VSAM file cluster. Now you need to use this cluster name here. Okay, this cluster name. One second. Yeah, now try to execute this JCL so that the data gets copied from input data set to output data set. Let's submit here. Submitted. Start s:/st. Yeah, it ran fine. So you just need to monitor the file only. So let's check the data using file manager. Start M. Then we have 13 as file manager. Then one view the data. envmasti. And the copybook name is envmast. Enter. So if you go to table format, so you got everything in VSAM file. All the data is there. So now the file is ready, and if you want to read the file, you can write a COBOL program and you can read the data from the file. Let's execute this because we have a COBOL program is there to read the data from a VSAM file. Sorry, not this one. Go to the COBOL program. So PGM 16. This program, it's a VSAM file. Okay, so, file description, everything is there. So just we are trying to read the data, trying to display item number and the unit price. Okay, let's compile and execute the program. Okay, so program is ready and compilation is also completed. So now in this program, I like envmast, envmasti, display equal to share. That's fine. So remaining files I have commented because I'm not going to use these files in this program. Okay, just try to run the program. Taking so much time in, there must be some error here. DD statement is missing. NVMESTI. Okay, now go to the COBOL program and check the DD name. It is envmesti, but the one what I have given is envmast only. That's why it is looking for a data set. Okay, this need to add this one. Cancel this one, otherwise it will time out. Then submit again. Yeah, it ran well. So let's see the data, whether it has displayed all the records. So item number is coming, but there is no value. Price is also coming, but there is no value. Let's debug the program. Why it is not coming? Yeah, here INVMASTI is there. Okay. So when you are reading this data, the data comes into this file. So if you want to explicitly move the data into a copybook, because there is a copybook is there, because through that copybook I am trying to read the data. Okay, file description entries does not have all the fields. Okay, so this is the copybook layout. So I need to write here this one into. When you are reading a file, if you don't mention explicitly into a particular record area, automatically this file gets read into group item. Okay, under file description, so it will come to here, but I have only here item number is there. Okay, that's the reason I want to read the data into this file. Okay, INVMAST. So here I need to write into this thing. Why I am writing? Because when you read it, if you don't write this into class, the data gets automatically loaded into the group item mentioned under FD class. So if you want to move into separate working storage area, you should use into class. Okay, now compile the program and run. Let's watch the results again. If you look at this, 1001 is there, then we have a 4500 is there. Go to the VSAM file also, the same, just you can verify it. We got 10012, 10015, 10012, 10015. Then we have got unit price as 6250, 6250 or 10015, and starts from 4500. Super. So we got the data using this program. Okay, the program is perfect now. So let's try to download this program. Okay, and keep it in a notepad for future reference. Go to transfer option, receive from host. Host is mainframe. Okay, browse through it. D:, learning, IBM mainframes. Trainings. So let me close this file and go to VSAM. Receive. Okay. Anyway, the corresponding copybook is already there. Okay. Take this. So here, these are the steps I have given here. Just try to insert this program here. Object. Browse through this. Trainings. Suman. And then this VSAM. Then insert this program. Okay. So that's the way you can read the program and see the data. And so this entire process, like how to copy the data from sequential file to VSAM file, and how to read a VSAM file, everything is explained in this video. I'm stopping this video. Thank you so much.